Hello guys and welcome back to our video, and we're gonna put guinea pigs eat vegetables in their grass.
They're not eating vegetables.
No, I mean
We're just trying to put them in the grass.
yeah.
Obviously this is a clean grass, so there's no problem, no parasites, no nothing. We're sure of that. And it's amazing when it comes to give them the opportunity, you see, to be outside and share time with the nature, because we can't forget that since they were born, they were put in a cage by us humans, and their instinct obviously is always to move forward with and be in this type of encounter with the nature. Okay, so we can give them some minutes outside. We can be that selfish with animals, special domestic animals, what it is, pets. How beautiful they look. We love our guinea pigs. They feel so happy. Freedom.
Yeah, freedom.
Out of a cage with nature in their environment.
Papi, what is this kind of grass?
It's normal grass, sorry.
Would they eat grass?
Huh? Bye, Joey.